In recent years, technological advancements have paved the way for innovative solutions to combat natural disasters like typhoons and floods. One such breakthrough is the development of a robotic fish designed to monitor underwater conditions. These robotic fish are equipped with advanced sensors that can detect changes in water temperature, pressure, and salinity, providing real-time data crucial for predicting floods. By analyzing this data, authorities can issue early warnings, giving communities more time to evacuate and prepare, thereby reducing casualties and property damage. Moreover, these robotic fish can navigate through complex underwater environments, making them invaluable for post-disaster assessments and recovery operations. Integrating such technologies enhances our ability to forecast and mitigate the impacts of natural disasters. So, what future technologies do you think will revolutionize disaster management? Op bhavishyaki kaunsi technique ke bare mein sochte hai jo aap ta prabandhan mein kranti la sakti hai?